Good morning, you guys. Don't look at my hair. I need to color my roots. And it's a frizz ball from the humidity. But Charlie's looking cute. Her hair doesn't do anything weird. Anyway, I just want to put together a video. I took some footage the other night of a small haul from the Sunday outdoor sale up by Springfield, Missouri. So here we go. Okay, we started the day over in Springfield at the outside flea market, and I didn't take my phone, so I didn't get to do any filming there. But I picked up this really fun Daher tin with the lid and handle, and it was $2, which is a fabulous deal. And for, I think this was $3. Sweet little bunnies. How sweet. For $1, I got this amber glass little brown jug products company, St. Louis. Not sure what would have been in here. I need to look that up. I guess they wanted 5, but she said $1. So how could I leave amber glass for $1? So I looked this up, and it was a syrup bottle. Makes sense. I was carrying it around like it was whiskey on my pinky finger, but nope, just syrup. Oh, it won't focus. Look at that sweet little face and her little, I think that's a lamb. Kind of looked like Charlie to me, but anyway, she's saying her prayers on her little pillow, and it was made in Japan. I paid $1 for her. This is pretty tarnished, but I don't care. I think it's really pretty. Nice silver plated fan vase made by Meriden Silver Company. And I paid $2 for it. There's my reflection. I'm trying to get the etching. And I picked up this beauty for $5. And I just looked it up a moment ago, and someone on Etsy wants $110. But I can't find any others, just that listing. I'm trying to figure out who made this. I'll show you the bottom. Are you familiar with this marking? Isn't it beautiful? I just don't know that mark. I forgot to show you this. I paid $1.50 for this at the thrift store. I kind of like to keep it, but I can't keep everything, I guess. Well, I could, but my goodness, my house is already full. But it's beautiful. Someone will love it. I also picked this up for 50 cents. Sweet little pottery plate. And for 50 cents, I also picked this up. I love it. I think it's really pretty. I also have this pillar I'm taking in. It's probably, 18 inches tall. Looks like it was made in Mexico. So I realized I forgot to share this. I picked up this door knocker. It's brass. And I picked that up at Davis Brothers Antiques. up by Lowry City, Missouri. And I don't know why my phone's doing that with the video. Sorry. That's why I haven't really been wanting to make videos, because the quality just keeps skipping and glitching. But I thought you might like to see this. That was a fun find. So this is where I have placed the brass door knocker hand. And I picked up this little pin for $1 at the outside sale on Sunday. I just wanted to share this. I picked up this old slinky the other day, and I thought it would be fun to either put a picture or some postcards, or maybe birthday cards if you get several and want to display them. So I just wanted to share that idea in case you wanted to use it. There's my rabbit. And my turtle. Whoa. Not sure what's happening here. This is on the corner of like a highway. I think they're taking a bath in the ditch. That's funny. Right? All right. I got this wonderful jar gifted to me. Look at this. It's a sugar jar, a Hoosier sugar jar. And I've got 2 Hoosiers, but I don't have anywhere to put the sugar jar. It's on a swiveling bracket. And you can open up the bottom to let the sugar pour out. But of course, I'm not going to put sugar. Isn't it fabulous? Get the bottom open, but I got it open now. That's where the sugar would come out. And then you shut it and you're done. It's awesome. Love it so stinking much.